Hey guys, it's Jessica here, and if you haven't done so, make sure you subscribe so I can continue bringing y'all all different content. Okay, so I wanted to do this quick video. Hopefully this helps some of you out. I've been working on figuring out how to remove the white backgrounds on my Bitmojis so that I can use them in my pictures, thumbnails, YouTube videos, shorts, Instagram reels, all that good stuff. And just pop those Bitmojis in there, adds a little character. Sometimes it's silly. They're just fun to use. Either way, the easiest way I found to do it, I do right on my phone. And the first thing I do is I go straight to my Bitmoji app. Now, mind you, I do have a Samsung Android phone. This should also work on iPhone. All right. In Bitmoji, click on the picture you want to remove the background on. At that point, I do a screenshot. And I minimize all of the edges, the borders, so that there isn't any extra showing. And I save it right to my phone. At that point, the next thing you want to do is either go to the remove.bg website. If you just Google remove.bg, the website will come up for you. In addition to that, it is in Google Play as an app that you can also download right on your Android phone. I do believe iPhone has an app too. But if you use the app, just open that up and then click on the top upload image. Mine over here. And the app is actually going to remove the background automatically for you. So that is all you need to do to remove the background. Like I said, it does it for you. And then all you want to do is click the download. If you want to download in HD, then you will need to sign up for this service. I know I use the free version. I don't know what the paid version offers. I've only been doing it for free because I love free. Okay, so we do download. And that saves your image. Now, back to your gallery. And here is a picture of just a standard background, a random one I pulled up. And you can see my Bitmoji drinking coffee has got no white background. And the other Bitmoji with the word awesome in it, it does still have the white background. So here you can see the difference between the two images, one with a background, one without. So that's really it. It's pretty cool. And it's super duper easy. So, quick rundown. Basically, save a picture of whatever Bitmoji you want to use. Save it to your device. Go directly to remove.bg, either the website or the app, and it'll remove the background automatically for you. Easy peasy, right? Have fun. Let me know down in the comments if this works out for you. If I gave you a good description and a how-to, or if you have any questions and I did not explain this clear enough. Thank you guys. Talk to you soon. See you in the next video.